Do you have a unique brand personality that resonates with your target audience? Your brand image can be shaped by factors such as your values, mission, and visual identity. Developing your unique selling proposition. Now that you have insights into your target market and competitive landscape, it's time to develop your USP. Your USP should clearly articulate the unique benefits your brand offers, compelling your target audience to choose you. Here are some steps to help you create an effective USP. 1. Highlight your unique benefits. Identify the key benefits your product or service provides that differentiate you from your competitors. Focus on what makes you remarkable, such as time-saving solutions, exceptional quality, or unmatched convenience. 2. Solve a pain point. Address a pain point or challenge your target market faces. Align your USP with solving their problems or satisfying their needs. This will resonate with potential customers and capture their interest. 3. Be clear and concise. Craft a concise and straightforward statement that clearly communicates your USP. Keep it simple and avoid jargon or overly technical language. Your USP should be easily understood and memorable. 4. Emphasize the value. Highlight the value your customers receive by choosing your brand. This can be expressed through differentiators such as cost savings, improved efficiency, enhanced performance, or unique experiences. 5. Test and refine. Once you have developed your USP, test it with your target audience. Seek feedback and refine your message accordingly. It's essential to ensure that your USP truly resonates with your intended market and conveys your brand's value proposition effectively. Examples of unique selling propositions. To illustrate the concept further, here are some examples of effective USPs from successful brands. 1. Nike, just do it. This USP encapsulates Nike's commitment to empowering athletes and anyone with a fitness goal to take action and pursue their dreams. 2. Volvo, safety. Volvo has established itself as a leader in vehicle safety, making it a go-to brand for consumers seeking a secure and reliable driving experience. 3. Apple, think different. Apple's USP emphasizes their innovation and encourages customers to be unique and break away from the norm. 4. Airbnb, belong anywhere. By promoting the idea of connecting travelers with unique accommodations, Airbnb taps into the desire for a more immersive and authentic travel experience. Remember, your USP should reflect your brand's unique strengths, resonate with your target audience, and articulate the value you provide. It should guide all aspects of your marketing and customer communication, consistently reinforcing your competitive advantage. Final thoughts.